Today, we'll learn how to read and interpret the markings found on a tire sidewall. By the end of this video, you'll be able to understand what these markings mean and use them to choose the correct tire for a vehicle. Understanding these markings will help you select the correct tire, compare different options, and verify that a tire meets your vehicle's requirements. We'll go through each code and number on the tire sidewall and learn what it means, so you'll be able to identify and interpret the most important tire markings with confidence. Let's start with the example shown on the screen. The marking 265/65R17112S contains almost all the essential information about the tire. Let's break it down one part at a time. The first number, 265, represents the tire width in millimeters. The second number, 65, is the aspect ratio. This means the sidewall height is 65% of the tire width. R indicates radial construction, which is the standard construction used on modern vehicles. We'll dig a bit deeper into this at a later stage in this video. 17 is the rim diameter in inches. 112 is the load index, indicating the maximum load the tire can safely carry. S is the speed rating, indicating the maximum speed for which the tire is designed. As you can see, this single marking provides a great deal of information about the tire. Let's take a closer look at the speed rating. Different letters correspond to different maximum speeds. For example, S is rated for 180 km per hour, T for 190 km per hour, and H for 210 km per hour. When replacing tires, always meet or exceed the manufacturer's specified speed rating. Now let's take a closer look at the load index. The load index represents the maximum weight that each tire can safely support. As the load index increases, the tire can carry more weight. One important point to remember: never select a tire with a load index lower than the manufacturer's recommendation. Now that we've covered the size, speed rating, and load index, let's look at the different tire categories. HT highway terrain tires are designed primarily for paved roads and offer a quiet, comfortable ride. AT all-terrain tires provide a balance between on-road comfort and off-road capability, making them suitable for mixed driving conditions. MT mud terrain tires are designed for demanding off-road environments but generally produce more road noise and reduced on-road comfort. In addition to the size and performance ratings, you may also come across several construction and service markings on the tire sidewall. Some common markings include R for radial construction. In a radial tire, the reinforcing cords run straight from bead to bead at approximately 90 degrees to the direction of travel. This design provides better comfort, handling, and tire life than older bias-ply construction. XL for extra load. LT for light truck tires. Tubeless, indicating that an inner tube is not required. M+S, meaning the tire is intended for mud and snow conditions. Another important marking you may find on passenger car tires is the UTQG rating. UTQG stands for Uniform Tire Quality Grading. The UTQG rating consists of three components: tread wear, which gives a comparative indication of expected tread life; traction, which indicates wet braking performance; temperature, which reflects the tire's ability to dissipate heat at high speeds. Generally, higher tread wear values indicate longer life, while traction A or AA and temperature A represent better performance. The last marking we'll discuss is the dot manufacturing date. The last 4 digits of the dot code indicate the week and year of manufacture. For example, 1324 means the tire was manufactured in the 13th week of 2024. When purchasing new tires, always check that the manufacturing date is reasonably recent. Before we conclude, let's quickly summarize the key points to remember when selecting a tire. When selecting a tire, verify the following in order: correct tire size, correct load index, correct speed rating, appropriate tire category for the intended use, recent manufacturing date, authenticity and warranty from a reliable supplier. By understanding these tire markings, you can choose the correct tire for your vehicle, compare different tire options confidently, and ensure safe and reliable operation. Thank you for watching.